Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use a mid-row machine effectively. First, let's get you set up correctly. Begin by adjusting the seat so the chest pad rests comfortably against your upper abdomen, allowing for full arm extension. Next, firmly place your feet on the footrests, ensuring a stable and secure base throughout the exercise. Finally, choose a weight that challenges you but still allows for excellent form, typically starting with a lighter load. Now, let's focus on the proper execution technique. Grasp the handles with an overhand grip, ensuring your palms face downwards. Initiate the pull by drawing the handles towards your lower abdomen, actively engaging your back muscles. At the peak of the movement, squeeze your shoulder blades together firmly. Then, slowly and with control, extend your arms forward, allowing the weight to return to its starting position without jerking. Understanding breathing and repetition is crucial for an effective workout. Exhale forcefully as you pull the handles towards your body, engaging your core. Then, inhale deeply and slowly as you release the weight back to the starting position. For optimal muscle growth, aim for 8 to 12 repetitions per set. Complete 2 to 3 sets in total, allowing for a 60-second rest period between each set to recover. To maximize your results and prevent injury, avoid common mistakes. First, resist the urge to use momentum or swing your body. Let your back muscles do the work. Maintain a straight back and keep your core muscles engaged throughout the entire exercise. Also, avoid shrugging your shoulders upwards towards your ears. Instead, focus on a full and controlled range of motion, ensuring maximum muscle activation with every single repetition.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.